eat out. Eat out. I eat out at a good place. I eat out at a good place.
What should we have for dinner tonight?
I'm too tired to cook. How about we just eat out?
Sounds good. I know a great Italian restaurant nearby.
Perfect. Let's go there.
Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6:30 on weekdays.
That's early. I can't wake up before 8 a.m.
You should try going to bed earlier.
Turn on. Turn on. Please turn on the TV. Please turn on the TV.
It's getting dark in here.
Should I turn on the lights?
Yes, please turn on the main light.
There. That's much better.
Turn off. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off your phone. Don't forget to turn off your phone.
I'm going to sleep now.
Don't forget to turn off the air conditioner.
Already did. I also turned off all the lights.
Good night then.
Look for. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for my wallet. Have you seen it?
I think I saw it on the kitchen table.
Thanks. I'll look for it there.
Pick up. Pick up. Can you pick me up at 5 p.m.? Can you pick me up at 5 p.m.?
How are you getting to the party tonight?
My sister will pick me up at 7 p.m.
That's nice. I have to take the bus.
She can pick you up too if you want.
Get up. Get up. I get up early on weekends. I get up early on weekends.
Do you get up late on Sundays?
No, I usually get up at 8 a.m.
Really? I get up at 11 a.m. on weekends.
You must stay up very late.
Put on. Put on. Put on your jacket. It's cold. Put on your jacket. It's cold.
Are you ready to go?
Almost. I just need to put on my shoes.
Put on a warm coat, too. It's really cold outside.
Good idea. Thanks for reminding me.
Take off. Take off. Please take off your shoes. Please take off your shoes.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you. Should I take off my shoes?
Yes, please take off your shoes here.
Of course. Where should I put them?
Go out. Go out. Let's go out for coffee. Let's go out for coffee.
The weather is so nice today.
Yes. Do you want to go out for a walk?
Great idea. I haven't gone out all week.
Let's go out to the park then.
Come back. Come back. What time will you come back? What time will you come back?
I'm going to the store now.
What time will you come back?
I'll come back in about an hour.
Okay. I'll have dinner ready when you come back.
Hang out. Hang out. I like to hang out with friends. I like to hang out with friends.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to hang out with some friends.
That sounds fun. Where do you usually hang out?
We like to hang out at the coffee shop downtown.
Sit down. Sit down. Please sit down here. Please sit down here.
Would you like some coffee?
Yes, please.
Sit down and make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. This chair is very comfortable.
Stand up. Stand up. Everyone, please stand up. Everyone, please stand up.
The teacher is coming in.
We should stand up to greet her.
Yes, let's stand up together.
Good morning, teacher.
Clean up. Clean up. Let's clean up the kitchen. Let's clean up the kitchen.
The party was fun, but look at this mess.
Don't worry. Let's clean up together.
I'll clean up the living room.
Great. I'll clean up the kitchen then.